All right, so a long time back, I've created the C clip. I probably created the C clip 900 times. I found maybe an easier way, my voice is cracked, an easier way to do the C clip. So what I'm gonna try to demonstrate that here is I'm gonna go to new. I'm gonna create an English template, standard. We're going to create this thing. I'm going to start my 2D sketch on this XY plane. So I'm going to sketch out a line, use a line here. So I'm going to go from this corner over 1.5. I'm going to ignore the angles here. I'm just going to create like a kind of a square looking C. I'm going to go up here 0.375, 0.375, and I'm gonna go over here. This is 0.5, and then I'm just gonna go down. I'm not sure what that is right off the top of my head, so I'm just gonna go down. I'm gonna come over. I'm gonna go straight up a little bit. I'm going to go over to where these are lined up. So somewhere over here, line that up over there, straight up, over. You see what I'm kind of doing? I'm kind of just making a kind of a square shape looking C. Now I'm going to dimension this. So the outside to outside, this is 1.25. Let's see, from here to here, this dimension is going to be 0.20. 0.20. Let me bring this down a little bit. So this is going to be from here to here is 0.5. From here to here is 0.20. What else do we got? Oh yeah, from here to here is 0.30, looks like. All right, so it shows that we're fully constrained, which I never really paid much attention to that anyway, but I probably should. Anyway, so that's kind of our square looking C shape. So I'm going to finish my sketch here. I'm going to extrude this baby, flip it that way, and this has a thickness of 0.25. 0.25. So what I found is to make this easier is to use the chamfer tool. And I'm going to use where it says distance and angle. So I'm going to click this middle option. So my angle is going to be 45 degrees. For the outer corners here, the distance is going to be 0.25. And then so what I want to do is here, I want to select a face and then select the edge. You can see it slices that corner off. I'm going to hit apply. I'm going to select the face and the edge. Apply. I'm going to select this top face, the edge. Apply. Let me flip this around. The face here, an edge. Apply. So there's our 4 outside corners. And then for the inside, it's still going to be 45 degrees here, but this distance is going to be 0.125. And then I'm going to select just either one of these faces here and then this edge here. Boom, apply. I'm going to select the face here and then grab this edge. Boom, apply. So there is our C shape. That was so much faster and easier. That's our C clip, C shape, C clip, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, that looks it. So I'm going to go to, view, we're there, shadows, room, or not room, photo booth. I'm going to make this actually a red one. I'm going to go to smooth. I'm going to go against what I usually do. We're going to go smooth red here. I'm going to save this as C clip 2 because I already have one the old fashioned way up there, and then hit save. So that's another way that you can create the C clip. And now what I like to do is for my videos, I'm going to export this as an image, make it a PNG. I'm going to save it on my F drive thingy here. Let's save it. There we go. So let's save that image. All right. So there you go. Hope that's a lot easier and faster, and you can, totally like impress people that way. All right. See y'all next lesson. Y'all be good.